Good morning, students. Now in pollen grains, when these pollen grains become mature, after maturation of pollen grains, it has two cell stages. First is bigger vegetative cell. This vegetative cell with abundant cytoplasm and irregular shape of nucleus. And second is a smaller generative cell. It is a spindle cell with a dense cytoplasm and a nucleus, and it floats in the cytoplasm of the vegetative cell. Pollen grains are released at this two cell stage and maximum of the angiosperm, about 60%, and the rest in the remaining species. This generative cell divides mitotically to give rise to two male gametes before itself. Therefore, at that stage, two male gametes and one vegetative cell. This three cell stage are the pollen grains. The importance of pollen grains. The importance of pollen grain, it helps, since it is male gamete, therefore help in the fertilization. Second, it has much nutritive value, very much reserve nutrients are present in the pollen grains. So in Western countries, the pollen grains are used as food supplements in the form of pollen tablets or syrups. It has so much nutrients value that it increases the performance of athletes and race horses. But the harmful effect of pollen grains are it causes pollen allergy. For example, carrot grass, Parthenium. This Parthenium comes from Western countries when we import the wheat during the famine in India. These pollen allergies are bronchial affliction. This bronchial affliction leading to chronic respiratory disorder, for example, asthma, bronchitis, etc. Now, the viability of pollen grains after pollination reaching at the stigma. The durability of the pollen grains for survival depends on the prevailing temperature and humidity. For example, in rice and wheat, it is viable only within 30 minutes. But in some members of Rosaceae, means family of rose, Leguminosae, means family of leguminous plant, arhar, moong, pea, all this, gram, and Solanaceae means family of potato, brinjal, etc. In these cases, the viability of pollen grains are for months. This pollen grains or semen in animals, semen and sperms in animals are stored for years in nitrogen, liquid nitrogen, means minus 196 degrees C for years in the form of pollen bank, semen bank or sperm banks for artificial fertilization, for artificial seminiferation or pollination.